Hi friends, how are you doing? My name is Anne, and today I want us to go through a few questions that I've received in regards to Jumia affiliate. So I'm going to log in and we go through this together. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below this video and join the community. Before you promote, make a decision as a customer, as if you're the one buying. So definitely you'd like to look at the rating, the reviews. You can see the rating is okay, 94 ratings. Scroll down and see successful sales in 1 year is 100 plus, and then fulfillment rate 5 out of 5, product quality 5 out of 5, and shipping speed also. So this mattress is available locally, and so delivery is today being 4th. The delivery seems to take 2 to 3 days, and the warrant has and it has a warrant of 10 years. So this is a good product to promote. And then because the amount is also okay, then that means you'll get a good commission out of it. So first thing, what I do is I download the image. So I save that image. So save the image. So you can also later paste the description, this, and paste it where you are advertising from, maybe your page or your website. So for now, we're going to take the link on this product. So we come here and copy this link. Once you copy the link, we will go to your site, to your affiliate site, and then go to tools, link builder, so here you need to select the country. There are many countries. You just select the one that you want to advertise at, or the country that you're at. Then come and paste the link that you had copied here. So you paste it there, and automatically, sorry about that. Automatically you have a link here. So this link is long, and I always like shortening it. So then next thing, go to this site, bit.ly.com, and paste the long link there. See, this is short, so you can copy it. Someone asked, how do I know whether I'm advertising the correct link? So what you do before you proceed, just go back there and paste the link that you've just shortened, and see if it will give you the same thing. See, it has given us the same thing. So then you're sure of what you're giving. You're sure that whatever you're advertising belongs to what you want to promote. So already we have the link, the short link. So what we do is go to, I like advertising through Facebook mostly. Then we will come here and let's go back and get the description here. It's called Dr. Matrix. You can copy as exact. You can copy the exact wording. You can also copy the description you want. Place an order. And have it delivered. Follow the link below. So this is just an example of how to build a link and paste it. You can paste this in your website or in your page like this, and then that's it. Just share it. If you'd like to use a banner, for example, to put in your website, you can just come back to dashboard, then go to tools, and then banners. Then you can, or even when you're advertising in your page through Facebook, Instagram, any social media, just come here and choose the country, and then now get the category. These ones are categorized. So let's try. Let's try this. Which are the sizes? No, this is the banner. This is the banner that you will. This is the banner that will appear once you use the code. So when you paste the code in your website, this banner will appear, and when anyone clicks on it, it brings them to Jumia, and if they make a purchase, you earn a commission through it. There was also a question on how much commission Jumia pays. So as you can see here, fashion has the highest commission. So if you can start a blog about fashion, a channel, a page about fashion, you can earn good commission. So the best way to be able to promote this through blogs or channels like YouTube is through reviews. You can purchase a product in Jumia, through Jumia, and do a review of it. For example, like ladies, you can buy lipstick, do a review on it, and then post. And when people buy, when other ladies buy that product, you get a commission, 12%. There was a question about how Jumia pays commission. Jumia will pay you through M-Pesa or bank transfer. So on your dashboard, you'll go to payments and update the mode of payment that you'd want to be receiving your commission.